Morning traders. Want to look at our review of a great stock move last week and the options we could have traded on it. So let's look at Boeing, right? Look at the move it's had since roughly March 9th up until now, right? Started the move breaking this previous high from 235 to almost 270. And so let's look at the 5-day move. 5-day move went great from 225 up, stayed above the 20-day moving average, bumped flat, jumped up, and stopped here. In pre-market, it's up another $5. So let's look at the 1-day chart from Friday. So that still continued up from started around 255, had good volume, and went up to almost 270. So we'll look at the option up on the high level here. So we'll look at the 260 call. If we would have taken one, let's say, it started out around $75, ended up about $962 for what is it, 1,182%, right? But as always, I'm realistic, so I say if you get half of that, you're still a champ, you're a good trader, which would be about 500 to 600%. As you can see from this option, it started going up from as low as $9. Then little by little crept up and then finally had a good, nice takeoff on Friday. And this is an option that expires this Friday. If I'm correct, yeah. Actually, March 12th. This is the March 12th. Okay, so this is a Boeing March 12th 260 call that expired Friday based off of the move. Right, you can see here on bar chart it says 1334%. That's from the previous day difference. I'm trying to, in case you missed the previous day and you got in on the same day at the open, you could see right here the low at the open was about 253. Then they had the strong move, kept going, and then maybe around 245, about 2 o'clock, it went flat. But you can see over here, pre-market, it's up another $5. So it looks like a strong stock. You might be able to trade this week, unless it has a small correction. Anyway, good luck. Let me know if you're trading this or anything else. Bye.